Assalamu alaikum friends. Today you will learn how to translate English into Urdu through Google Translate. So let's begin the video. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. You will simply tap your application Google Translate. So here you will tap on Urdu and you will go to tap on English. So here is the arrow. You will tap on this Persian option and you will select the language Urdu. So this is set from English into Urdu. You will simply here write where are you. So here is the meaning of where are you is आप कहाँ हैं. So this is the very easy process of translating English into Urdu. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.